As mentioned in the introduction of this section, wise investing is a key component to achieving financial success and freedom, and is something that everyone should do. Simply, if you want to build wealth and achieve financial stability, you have to invest. Let's discuss 5 of the most important benefits of investing. The first benefit is outperforming inflation. If your money is going to grow in real terms over time, it has to earn a rate of return that is greater than the rate of inflation. If you do not invest appropriately and grow your money, the value of your money will diminish and diminish and diminish over time. As mentioned before, the rate of inflation will vary widely. But say for instance you're in the US, which historically has had an average rate of inflation of 3%. But you invest your money at an average rate of 7%. This means your rate of return will be way ahead of inflation and you'll be able to grow your money on an annual basis. The second benefit of investing is building your wealth. This is a simple one. If you don't invest, you will not be able to build wealth over time. There are so many investment options out there to grow your money, and investing can be tailored to your specific circumstances and needs. The third benefit is retirement. In order to have enough money for those golden years, you need to invest to ensure that your funds are working for you. The more you invest, the more you will be able to take advantage of the power of compound interest and the snowball effect. Too many people reach the age of retirement and do not have enough money, having to rely on family or otherwise. If you invest suitable amounts on a consistent basis, over time you will have enough money to retire comfortably or even retire early. The fourth benefit is tax savings. Investing can actually help you to save big time on your taxes. For example, the money that you put in your 401k or IRA if you're in the US, or your RRSP or tax-free savings account if you're in Canada, is not taxed the year you earn it. Instead, you pay taxes when you actually withdraw money for retirement. This saves a lot of tax dollars during the years that you make these investment allocations. The final benefit is meeting your financial goals. Investing can actually allow you to increase your funds to meet other financial goals. For example, investing for your children's college fund or purchasing a new home. When you have a medium to long-term financial goal, investing will help you to get there that much faster.